Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own FIFA card 2020. It's working. Let's get into it. First you need to type in FIFArosters.com here. I'll leave everything in the link in the description. Go to FIFArosters.com. You want to click the first one that comes up to you. Copy very well. But here we go. You want to go to card creator, or you can just click here. Just go to card creator. It'll just pick up anything you want. You can change them anyway. So first you want to upload your own image. So I do my own. So you choose file. You can choose any image URL or anything like that. So you want to do this, guys, and then you want to go to this, you want to choose one of your stuff. So you want to use Pixar, which will get your any image you want, and then you want to go to one like this. So you want a picture like this. If you want to do Roblox, you go into Studio and you want a picture like this, and then you will go to it and then make the picture so these checkers are on the picture and not these like that. Yep. And then go back. And then you will want to choose your card, but I like this card anyways. So you want to choose your name. My name is Joe, obviously you guys know, and I'm a 19 rated. Pace, so I'm not very quick. So my shot speed is pretty good, 90 rated, 90 shot speed, 93 passing, dribbling about 89, defense I'm not that good at 78. Nice. I'm very strong. You can do your chemistry style right here, and you can choose your club. I'm personally not in Manchester, but I love City. I'm English. Just do that. And all this is right there. Then you want to choose your chemistry style, because I'm a maestro. There we go. And there you go. And you can choose your card, but I like this one. I'll show you. So here's your cards. I'll choose a different one for you guys. Yeah, I like this one. Sorry, I don't feel very well. And then you go to download card, and you will get something down here or somewhere where you find that. And you got your name, and then how many you've got. I've only got 15 because I made lots of them. And then you just go that way, and you can just open up that, and voila! There is your card. So that's how you do it. So I'll see you guys later.